Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can make a filter for custom taxonomy products in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin like Filter Everything or WooCommerce Product Filters. Once activated, go to Products, then Attributes, and create your custom taxonomies such as brand, color, or type. Next, open your filter plugin settings and create a new filter group. Select your custom taxonomy from the list and choose how you want it to appear as checkboxes, drop-downs, or radio buttons. Once done, click Save Settings. Now, open your shop page in Elementor or Customize mode and add the filter widget to your sidebar or header area. After updating, refresh your store page. You'll now see filters that let users browse products by your custom taxonomies. And that's it now, you know how to create custom product filters in WooCommerce to improve your store's user experience. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.